Convenience, charm and touch of class make this Indiana townhome a must-see. Enter into an open floor plan featuring crown molding, vaulted ceiling with skylights and a wood-burning fireplace for those cold winter nights. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. Both bedrooms feature detailed trim and spacious closets, while the master is brightened by hanging bedside chandeliers and doors leading to your spacious outdoor living. Conveniently located near Lake Johnson, Cary, Crossroads and I-440.